Hi, today I would like to show you how to grow your own apples from fruit seeds. Yes, straight from the groceries. So I have golden yellow variety apple at my backyard, and I wanted to add another tree to cross-pollinate the flowers, hence encourage fruit production. So I bought 3 varieties from the grocery: FUJI, Red Delicious, and GALA apples. When buying, choose the fruit that looks very ripe, and you may be lucky to see sprouts coming out of the seeds already. So here's how I did. You just need a spray bottle with water, paper towel, and your apples. Here you go. Make sure you spray with just enough amount of water and put them in labeled Ziploc bag. So after all this, put them in the humidity controlled section of your fridge and check them after a week.